Within 7 days, we've been able to launch our product on store on gumroad.com. We've been able to create our website, optimize the website, and also created our landing page for our product sales. Okay, and this is the last day of this very challenge. So today, being the day 7 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how I set up my advertisement, how I promote my digital product. As you can show here, I have many products on various online stores, right? And I'm going to be showing you how I promote them with my Facebook advertisement. In this day 7, we're not only promoting only digital products, we're going to be also be sending traffic to our website blog. All right, so we've already created our landing page. This is the landing page we developed. We built this landing page in the basis of this very challenge. Okay, and in this very video, we're going to be doing only 5 simple steps. Okay, the step 1, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can actually structure your funnel properly so that your advertisement can actually convert. Okay, the step 2, I'm going to be showing you the right plugins you're going to simply install if you're running paid advertisement. 3, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up this particular campaign in full time. The step 4, I'm going to be showing you the right targeting and also the right ad creative you can actually use for this particular advertisement. And the step 5, which is the last part, I'm going to be showing you what you have to simply start doing right now once you set up your advertisement. The first thing you need to do is to actually structure your funnel properly. Okay, so we've already created our landing page. Get people from the Facebook ad to come to your landing page. Okay, so once they come to your landing page, there are 2 simple options they have to fulfill. The option A is for them to either buy the product or join your email list. Okay, and from the email list, you can nurture your audience and still sell your product or give traffic to your blog website. Okay, so for this to work for us, just go to your browser right here, go to your website, log into your website dashboard, go to the plugin section, click on add plugin. Add this particular plugin. It's already here. It is called Jetpack. Install this particular plugin. This plugin is going to simply help you build your email list and also build your subscriber section. All right, go to the plugin right here. This is the plugin. Go to the settings section. Okay, go to newsletter, turn it on. Let visitors subscribe to this site and receive email when you publish a new post. Okay, that's the one thing you have to simply add. Okay, to go to the step 2, which is to actually install a tracking plugin. All right, when people visit your website, if you have this particular tracking plugin, it is going to simply make them see your advertisement faster on Facebook. It is called Facebook Pixel. Okay, add this particular name right here, Pixel your site. This is a plugin you're going to simply add right now. Okay, you can see we have Pixel your site, your smart Pixel tag and API manager. Okay, just click on this, install. I have this in most of my website that I used to run the ads. Okay, so once you have this installed, go to your Facebook ad manager, click on this create campaign. If you have the money to spend, then you can go with sales. Okay, but if this is a new account and you want to go with a lower budget, then go with the traffic section, which is going to simply lead people to your landing page. Okay, click on the continue button. Click on the continue button. Make sure that this is turned off. We are not going with A/B testing right now. For the budget, select asset budget. All right, select this as well. Add Gumroad. We're going to be selecting website visit. Okay, send traffic to your website. So remember, we're not actually sending the traffic to our website, we're sending it to our landing page. You scroll down, then for the performance goal, we're going to be selecting maximum number of landing page view. Okay, so remember, if people click on learn more button, if the website didn't open immediately or they just bounce back, it will be counted for you, right, and money will be deducted for you, right? But if they click on this, if the landing page have not really opened, it will not be counted for you as a viewer, right? So we're going to be selecting this very one right here, maximum number of landing page view. We want people to view the landing page. Okay, if you don't set all of these things the way they have to be, then you're gonna simply be losing money. And for the budget, right, 0.01, that is per click. And let's say we want to be spending like $30 per day, right? So I'm going to be spending $30 for this particular advertisement in a day, right? So if you're spending money on your ad, make sure that the quality of the product you are selling and the price of the product you want to be selling is going to simply give you return times 3 or times 10 of that particular ad spend. Okay, and also if you have a website, even if the people don't buy, the traffic alone can actually give you all of this thing back from your ad, from your Montag ad and other platform. All right, but if you don't have more money to spend, you can actually spend $1, you can spend $5, but you cannot compare your lower ad budget to someone else higher ad budget result. Okay, this is when it's going to be starting and this is the time, and also you can set an end date. The next you need to do is simply go ahead and add your audience. All right, so for the audience, you can target countries with higher buying powers. Okay, so countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia. But one of the main things you have to simply know if you're running an ad is the type of product you're promoting, the main aim of running that ad, the target targeted audience you want, okay? And also countries with higher CPM, you're going to be spending more money, right? United States has been selected for me because this particular ad account which I'm using right now to run this ad is the ad account I used to target higher CPM countries, okay? I have a Nigerian ad account which I've been using to make videos about all of these, okay? So I use a Nigerian account for this campaign right here, okay? Then you're going to be adding another country. Click on this edit button, but for the sake of those that have lower budget, all you need to do is simply target countries that can actually buy your product without you spending more money, okay? South Africa, you can target Kenya, you can target Nigeria, okay? So these three countries, they spend money. And also you can target Philippines, right? This is it here. Okay, so we've already added 3 different countries, okay? Then click on this more option, then click on this minimum age. You can see Facebook will normally tell you to target from 18. No, click on this and target from 22. Then click on this edit button, then click on this. We don't want 65, we just want 45, okay? Most age people are not really online, okay? So let's select 45, okay? Then for the gender or gender, go to the detail targeting from this very section, okay? So once you add Gumroad, you're going to see some related stuff that they will be bringing out for you right here, okay? So let's add Facebook. So this is basically how you can add most of the interest you want for your shop, right? So after adding all of the interest you want, click on this update button. After adding that, then this is the main part of Facebook ad. If you just miss this part, then that means you're going to be wasting your money for nothing. All right, we have placement, okay? So placement, ask yourself, what are the main part of Facebook that you are using, or the main part of Meta business that you use every single day, okay? If you can answer that particular question correctly, those particular main parts are what you're going to simply be targeting as your placement. All right, then click on this edit button. You have to make sure you select manual placement. All right, so this manual placement, this is what it does for you. It is going to simply allow you to select the part where you want your ad to display. All right, so for me, I use Facebook a lot, I use Instagram a lot, and the best part I use are the feed. So we want to run this ad on Facebook and Instagram, not on audience network. The placement you're going to simply select now is the feed. Then click on this next button, select your page you want to use for this. So I'm going to be selecting this page. The next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and upload your ad creative. I have this particular ad creative right here, okay? And this is where I downloaded all of them right here, okay? So for me, I'm going to be selecting a video. Then click on open. Then click on this. Then you have to simply add your text right here, more to yourself, all right? Then I'm going to be adding that right there. So I'm going to be adding this right here. So after adding that, you can add description, okay? Then add it here. So remember, the ad creative we added is in line with what we are promoting, okay? So after that, go ahead and add the URL. The URL should be the landing page. You can check it out to know if it is actually working. All right, so you can show here, it is right here now, okay? It is already working. This is how your Facebook ad is going to simply look like. This is for Instagram, this is for Facebook. You can see it is not really complicated, and you can see most of the details we added here and the link button here. Once you're done with that, then click on this publish button. All right, so your ad will be fully published for you. The next you need to do is simply monitor it and know when the CPC, that is cost per click, is going high or going low. The best part is this: the moment people start engaging with your advertisement, the cost per click will start reducing. Okay, and having made it to the last part of this very challenge, big congratulations to you, because you've already made it. Most of you that are watching this video have been following from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6 up to this day 7. Okay, so I congratulate you. Big shout out to you. Just check out your DMs, you're gonna see some goodies right there and lots more. For you not to miss out the next challenge, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here.